John Canoe, also known as January Connie, was a real historical figure, and a major one for the Ahanta people of Ghana. He was a brave warrior who fought against European traders in the early 1700s. Canoe led his people against the Dutch and the British, even taking over a fort called Fredericksburg. While there's not a ton of super detailed information about his whole life, we do know he was a major pain for the European slave traders and a hero to his people. His story is part of the reason we have the John Canoe Festival in the Caribbean today. It's a big celebration that remembers his bravery. Ashanti, also spelled Asante, people live in central Ghana. They are the largest subgroup of the Akan people, and one of the few matrilineal societies in West Africa. The Ashanti people speak Twi, a dialect of Akan. They are known for their rich cultural traditions, including their elaborate ceremonies, and one of the few matrilineal societies in West Africa. The Ashanti people speak Twi, a dialect of Akan. They are known for their rich cultural traditions, including their elaborate ceremonies, colourful clothing, and intricate gold jewellery. The Ashanti Kingdom was a powerful state that dominated much of present-day Ghana from the 17th to the 19th centuries. The Ashanti people are proud of their history and their cultural heritage. Today, the Ashanti people continue to play an important role in Ghanaian society. They are known for their entrepreneurial spirit and their contributions to the arts, sciences, and business. Is rich and complex, marked by indigenous settlement, European colonization, the transatlantic slave trade, and ultimately, independence. Early inhabitants. The first inhabitants of Jamaica were the Taino people, an Arawakan group who arrived on the island around 600 AD. They named the island Zaimaka, meaning land of wood and water. Spanish colonization. Christopher Columbus landed in Jamaica in 1494, claiming it for Spain. The Spanish enslaved the Taino, who were also decimated by European diseases. By the early 17th century, the Taino population had largely disappeared. British rule. In 1655, the English captured Jamaica from the Spanish. The English established sugar plantations and imported enslaved Africans to work on them. The slave trade flourished in Jamaica, and by the 18th century, enslaved Africans outnumbered Europeans by a significant margin. The British period also saw the rise of resistance movements, including the Maroon communities, who were escaped slaves that formed independent settlements in the mountains. Independence. In the 20th century, a nationalist movement emerged in Jamaica, led by figures such as Marcus Garvey and Norman Manley. Jamaica gained independence from Britain in 1962, becoming a member of the Commonwealth. Post-independence, Jamaica has faced economic and social challenges since independence, including poverty, inequality, and crime. The country has also experienced periods of political instability, with rivalry between the two main political parties. Despite these challenges, Jamaica has made significant contributions to the world in areas such as music, literature, and sports. Key figures. Bob Marley, a reggae musician who is considered one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Usain Bolt, an Olympic sprinter who is widely regarded as the greatest of all time. Louise Bennett Coverley, a poet and folklorist who is known as the mother of Jamaican poetry. Jamaica's history is a testament to the resilience and creativity of its people. The island has overcome a legacy of colonialism and slavery to forge its own unique identity.